I was inside getting ready for the 907. Heard a thump snap, or a snap bump, and this is what happened. Yeah. I appreciate you not landing on my buggy, man, or my house. Rock on. Well, here's my chance to get out my new chainsaw. Rock on. Anybody have a tree fall on their property today? Hippie did. Oh man. Hopefully nothing else comes down, but it could happen. As you see, we're getting winds. So if I get knocked off the air today, it's because something fell on a power line. It's not too windy, but it's windy enough to create a fucking mess like this. Holy shit. My buggy in my house got lucky. Rock on. Love, peace, hippie grease. Hippies out.